guys, welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel and have been watching my videos. As many of you know, I love to shop, and right now is the perfect time to shop for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So today I am going to be making a Halloween wreath using deco mesh, and it is the 21-inch deco mesh, and I have a 24-inch work wreath that I'm going to be using today. Okay, so I've also got some ornaments. They're the shatterproof ornaments that I'm going to be using. And I've got this neat little thing. Cute little owl that lights up. And look at these cool skeleton hands. Okay, so first we're going to work on the work wreath. And you'll need your deco mesh and your scissors right now. And what you're going to want to do is take these little pieces, I don't know what you call them, so I'm going to say just pipe cleaners for now because I can't think of a better word right now. So take these little pieces and make them stand up. And I'm going to slide this back a little bit because I don't want to knock it over. Okay, so you're going to have all these pieces, green pieces standing up just like this. And you're going to take your deco mesh and you are going to kind of take the edges and kind of fold them inward and grab them in your hand. And you might want to have some pipe cleaners handy too for this. Or some people like to use a zip tie to tie it off, but I usually just use these little prongs here to tie mine off. So you're going to have it gathered in your hand, and you are going to go to the back of you're going to kind of take it, lift up your wreath, and just poke it around the back. And I'll take one of my prongs and I am going to twist and secure it so that it stays in place. Okay, so now we're ready to start. You can start on the inside or the outside, but I usually start on the inside. That just works the best for me. And I want to tell you the 21-inch deco mesh is a little bit harder to work with because it's so wide, but it makes a really full and pretty fluffy wreath. So if you want one to be really full, go with the 21-inch deco mesh and the 24-inch work frame. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we've got it tied off good, and you're going to want to make your loops the same size each time. So let out some of your deco mesh, and it's okay if it rolls on the floor, and you're going to try to get your raw edges turned under. You're going to gather in your hand, and you're just going to go to the next set of prongs, put it in, just like that, and twist a few times. Okay, and then just make sure your loop looks like you want it to look before you go to the next one. Okay, same thing. You're going to try to keep, let some more mesh out, and you're going to try to keep your raw edges turned in. Make about the same size loop. Put it in your hand, go to the next set of prongs, slip it in, and twist. Okay, and you're going to do the same procedure all the way around the inner circle. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera and finish the inner circle right now. Okay, this is what it looks like with the inner circle finished. And now I am ready to do the outer circle. So what you're going to do is make sure that you like the way your loops look and they're all about the same size before moving on. And you're going to gather it in your right hand, and you're just going to go to the outer set of prongs. And then you're going to push it to the wire frame and twist. Okay, same thing. Go to the next prong. Make sure you're keeping your raw edges folded in and your loop's about the same. And twist it in. go back and make sure your loops are looking the way you want them to. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the outer circle, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is what it looks like now with the inner circle and the outer circle complete. And I used a pipe cleaner to tie it off on the back. So now it is time for me to add some more embellishments. So we're going to pause the camera again, and we'll be back shortly. If you're going to add lights to your wreath, now is a good time to add the lights. So that's just a little tip. I'm not going to be adding lights to this one, but if you plan on it, go ahead and add them now. Okay, we added the skeleton arms to our wreath and wired them in. And I am going to take some 12-inch silver deco mesh, and I am going to go along this center strip to kind of fill in and make it fuller. So that's my next step. Okay guys, this is what it looks like with the silver deco mesh added. I just kind of started in the center and just did my loops, and then around the skeleton arms I kind of looped it around the back so that I wouldn't cover them up. Okay, I think I'm ready to add some of the black and silver ornaments next. Okay, I had forgotten about some ribbon. I had the black and silver ribbon, so I tied some quick little bows and added the bows, and then I also added the shatterproof ornaments. And now I think I will add a couple big bows to this wreath. Okay, I am going to tie a large bow to add to the bottom of the wreath, and this is the 2.5 inch and it has wire. So I'm going to let out a tail. I'm going to take it in my left hand, and I'm going to start by making a loop. And when you have a design on a ribbon, you sometimes have to twist to keep the design on top. Sorry, mine's getting tangled up. Okay, there we go. So you have to twist sometimes to keep the pretty design on top. Okay, and you just keep going back and forth, trying to make the same size loops. Sorry, I'm working in a small space. And with this ribbon, I don't really think it matters too much. Well, it does. You gotta twist. Should I say it's beautiful on both sides? I don't know how I've gotten it twisted like I have, but thank you, sis, for doing that. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few more loops. I think make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have glitter all over the floor. Oh well. Glitter makes everything better. Alright, I think that's as big as I'm going for this. So I'm going to cut a tail at the same length. Okay, and you'll want floral stem wire or a pipe cleaner to wrap around the center. Keep it pinched tight and go to the back and twist. And yes, I have glitter everywhere. Look at that. Okay, and then you're going to want to flip it over and fluff your loops. Now I'm ready to add it to my wreath. Okay guys, here is our finished Halloween wreath. Okay, here's my Halloween wreath hanging on the door. I think These hands are so cute. If you hear something, it's my little chihuahua. He's down at my feet sniffing around. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.